Hi, my name's Alvito. I'm the treasurer of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers.
Hi, I'm David. I am the events coordinator of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a popsicle stick catapult.
First, take all but one of your popsicle sticks and stack them together. Once you have them in a nice even stack, tightly rubber band one end, keeping the rubber band about an inch from the edge so it doesn't slip off. Next, slide the remaining popsicle stick just above the bottom stick in the stack so it makes a cross shape. Once it's positioned correctly, rubber band the other end of the stack as before. Now, take the spoon and place it directly over that bottom stick and rubber band them together as shown. Congratulations! Your catapult is ready to go. You can adjust the trajectory by moving the stack forward or backward, trying to get a launch angle of about 45 degrees. Once that's done, place the ping pong ball on the spoon, bend it back, and release.
Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you find that you really enjoy working on projects like this, then I strongly urge everyone to consider a career as a future engineer.
Enjoy target practice.